better.
And Build Back Better. When destroyed off?
Build Back Better just sounds so fucking scary, dude.
It sounds evil.
It sounds evil as fuck, dude.
You see what I see? Budman. Yeah, the Budman. Budman. That's so cool. The French dip.
Special?
Sure.
The one that has jack, pepper jack?
Oh yeah, pepper jack. And then also an Arnold Palmer.
For here or to go?
For here.
It's gonna be $16.99.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Of course. What is in here? Oh yeah. Oh. Hella good.
Oh shit, it doesn't.
You got it too? What's that?
Cool. Oh, and this is for when it's a hot ass day. This thing like put it over your face.
Oh.
This thing is it comes through. Well, this is supposed to. I have one for the cars that like dry the car, but this one no. This one's personally for like the face.
It's a face blanket.
Yeah. When we go on a hike or something, when it's hella hot, you fucking soak this because this thing's absorb water and it holds the water inside. So when you
Yeah. Let me do one more at like 2 seconds. See how that turns out. Pretty nice in here. They have a watch shop, Breitling. Pretty interesting mall. So we didn't really find anything here. No traces of supernatural activity. But who knows? We might find something in the next adventure. The homie Nat, what have you got to say?
I'm full.
Yeah, full of shit.